Kenyan low-income households are quickly replacing charcoal and kerosene with sustainable and cheaper sources of cooking fuel. This push comes as the government continues to encourage citizens to move away from cooking fuels with dangerous emissions. Tonight on Tech One, we cast the spotlight on bioethanol for cooking.
The Kenya National Bureau of Statistics shows that most of the people using clean energy in kitchens like these ones are in urban areas, but most are in rural areas still using dirty modes of fuel like charcoal, wood, firewood. The need for a cooking solution with carbon dioxide emissions cannot be overemphasized in a world currently keen on a clean environment. Low-income earners are the likely beneficiaries.
I was using charcoal. And charcoal had a lot of fume. It was so dirty. It was very expensive. Mostly I was coughing. I had even to seek for medical advice. I was unable to buy even the paraffin.
They needed to have something that does not produce carbon dioxide, that does not produce fumes, that is clean. Because again, low-income households cook indoors. They don't have the luxury of being able to take the jiko outside and to be able to cook it.
The use of bioethanol is increasingly becoming common among low-income households. Cooking technologies such as the one offered by Coco's smoke-free ecosystem using bioethanol relies on a clever chain of devices.
We wanted them to feel that you can cook within the household, you can light easily, there's no smoke, there's no emission.
The first one is this one, a smart ATM-like machine, not to be mistaken for the common ATM machine known for dispensing cash to customers. Instead, it dispenses clean bioethanol cooking fuel. The machine has a user interface that is readable and interactive with the operator for various functions. Thus, the operators simply plug in an empty fuel canister onto the machine. Then, the screen is pressed to input instructions just as you would at any other ATM machine, instructing it to dispense a particular desired quantity of fuel. Then, after obtaining the commodity, the canister is unplugged and transferred to a special cooker designed to accept the canister. The plugging and twisting motion of the canister is what opens an inlet in the cooker, enabling the fuel to flow into two special tanks.
It has grown, even the customer base has increased, and also the income is now doing very well. We are able to interact with many people, many customers, and help them, and also sell the product at the same time. So when they are happy, we are also happy.
And as Kenya looks to host the world at the Africa Climate Summit at the Kenyatta International Convention Center in Nairobi, experts say that clean cooking technologies and stoves that use electricity, natural gas, solar, and ethanol are scalable, competitive, and still need more forums and civic education about them to the masses. Alanauko, Tech One.